Welcome to another episode of Yardman's To Do. Today I want to show you this beautiful and gorgeous wet bar I recently put together. From hardware to color to functionality, this wet bar has all the characteristics of elegance. A project like this can obviously be a bit expensive, but I am going to show you exactly how I did it on a very small budget. Once again, just a reminder, I am not a contractor, not an electrician, not a carpenter, and definitely not a plumber. I was just blessed with the knowledge of know-how. Okay, now let's get to it. So first I started out by creating a diagram on the wall. I used blue painter's tape to do so. This diagram is to outline the placement of my cabinets. I used two 24-inch upper kitchen cabinets followed by two 36-inch cabinets on top of those. These are usually referred to as refrigerator cabinets. These are actually the same cabinets you usually see above your refrigerator in your kitchen. I also use two 24-inch cabinets for the lower section with a 2-inch butcher block for the countertop. Instead of having the sides of the cabinets exposed, I went with the waterfall edge. This adds style and character. And of course, you cannot have a wet bar without a sink and a faucet. If there is no water, it is not a wet bar. The cabinets are painted. This color is called classic blue. But take a look at the upper cabinets. I removed the inserts on the doors and add glass, which makes it so much more appealing. Also, the backsplash is halfway done. I use reflective subway tiles. I temporarily removed the faucet to stain the countertop. I use the brand Minwax and the color Walnut. And as you can see, the color matches perfectly with the existing floors. So the backsplash is completed. The shelves are in. I use a 1/4-inch tempered glass for the shelves. I also installed soft white lights under the counter as well as around the shelving and blue lights on top of the upper cabinets to create an ambiance. To see the styling and decorating of this wet bar, please go over to the channel, The Real Life with Donnie Don. I hope this video will inspire you to take on a similar project of your own. Once again, thank you for tuning in, and as usual, do not forget to subscribe and hit that like button. See you next time.